Welcome to the FaxLab AI internship video series. I am Debasish and today we are diving into one of the most powerful AI tools in the world, ChatGPT. In this video, I will show the exactly how corporate teams use ChatGPT to save hours every week by automating professional communications, emails, meeting agendas, HR announcement, and more. By the end of the 10-minute demo, you will be able to use ChatGPT to write published professional content in under 60 seconds. Let's get started. This is ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI. You can access it at chat.openai.com. The free version gives you access to GPT-40 Mini. For full GPT-40, you need ChatGPT Plus at $20 per month. The new in the new interface is simple. A text box where you type your prompt and ChatGPT respond instantly. The key to getting great results from ChatGPT is your prompt. A vagueous prompt gives vagueous result. A specific prompt detailed prompt gives you professional ready to use output. Let me show you. Use case 1. Drafting a supplier negotiation email. Here the prompt I will type. Write a professional email to our packaging supplier requesting a 12% price reduction on our next bulk order of 10,000 units. We have been a loyal customer for 3 years. Tone. Tone but respectful. Look at that. A complete professional email with a subject line, greeting, greeting, body, paragraphs, and a clear call to action generated in under 3 seconds. Notice how it included our loyalty as a negotiation point. That's because we told it to. The more context you give, the better the output. Now let me refine it. I will type make the make the tone more urgent and add a deadline of Friday 5 p.m. Okay, perfect. One more refinement, add a PS mentioning we are evaluating other suppliers. This is prompt iteration, the professional way to use AI. You refine until it's exactly right. Use case 2, creating a structured meeting agenda for a quarterly business review. Okay, create a detailed 90-minute meeting agenda for a Q3 business review with depend, department head attend, attendance. Okay, this is a fully formatted professional agenda with a time allocation, honors for each item, and specific decision points. This would take a human 30 to 45 minutes to create manually. ChatGPT did it in 4 seconds. Okay. Use case 3. Writing a company wide HR policy announcement. Okay. This is ready to send to 500 employees. Clear, professional, positive tone, exactly what HR needs. No more starting at a blank page for an hour, prompt, polish, and set. Before I wrap up, here are my top 3 pro tips for using ChatGPT professional. Tip 1, always specify the tone, formal, friendly, urgent, and empathetic. Tip 2, give context. Who is the audience? What is the goal? Tip 3, iterate. Don't accept the first output. Refine it 2 3 times. ChatGPT is available at chat.openai.com. Free plan gets you started plus at $20 per month. Unlock the full power. Thank you for watching.